This is Anthony with the Computer Science Course Assistance. Today we will be using the ping command. Ping is a command you can run to check your connection to a website. This is also a good way to check if your connection is working. First, you want to type in the bottom left where it says type here to search. Go ahead and type run. In the run window, type CMD. For Mac users, first you want to open Network Utility, then access ping. You will now be able to ping if you're on a Mac. If you're on a Windows PC, you are now in your command prompt. From here, you can type ping, then a website. We will ping google.com. As you can see, it sends packets to google.com. Then it tells you the response time it took. This took an average of 90 ms. If you try to ping a site like Northeast State.edu, you will notice as it's sending packets, the time is much faster than google.com. The reason for this is google.com is used every second of the day, as Northeast State.edu won't be used as often. You can also try to ping a site, and if it comes up with ping request could not find host, then it's not a real site. So a good way to try this is we can type in google.student. Oh. Make sure you use ping. So as you see, ping request cannot find, so it's not a real site. Also, when pinging sites, make sure you only use like the .com, .edu, things like that. When you try to add the HTTPS, everything like that, it will not work. But when you do the normal, just like that, it'll be able to ping. Feel free to use the ping command to test other sites. This has been Anthony with the Computer Science Course Assistance. Thank you for watching.